All right, now I got to go because I got to talk.
All right, bye, good.
Oh, so, you guys, I'm getting ready to go black. I need a moment of silence. Okay, there's none. All right. So, this is the most hair I've had on my head since I was 15 when I first cut my hair off and never ever looked back. I'm going to actually try to grow my hair out, and I'm getting ready to color my hair back black because the blonde is so high maintenance. I love it, but while I'm in the growing stage, I'm going to dye my hair back black. But my wigs though, ain't none of them gonna be black. Well, maybe one, but that's beside the point. I'm going to use this Bigen dye, which is a henna dye. And a lot of people don't like henna dye. A lot of people have reactions to henna dye. I'm going to use it. And this is what it looks like. And then they give you a little measuring tray. Fill it up to the top right here with water if you use the whole bottle. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put these gloves on. And I'm going to mix mine in a bowl. Yes, this is one of my decorative bowls, but I took all my stuff off my table, and I don't eat out these bowls anyway, so. And I'm using 2 of them. This is what it looks like. Filled it up with water. And I used 2 of them, so I'm gonna do 2 measurements. 1. 2. Gloves. Don't want to mess up the manicure. Okay. It's getting all mixed up. This is what it's looking like. And it's just going to get darker and darker. So, as you can tell, I haven't touched up my blonde in a while. Because look at them roots. But anyway, start applying it on my head. And, yeah, don't judge me for being messy. Because it's just what I'm about to be. And I'm just literally pressing my hands in it and rubbing it on my hair. And as I'm rubbing, I'm just pushing it down. I'm going to let this sit for about 20 minutes. You know what? I'm going to let y'all know what the directions say. How to use. Before application, complete the preliminary skin test 48 hours before each application. Wear suitable gloves supplied in the carton. Cover your shoulders with a towel or cape. Be sure hair is clean and free of styling product buildup to prevent staining. Guys.
What we eating?
I don't need much, no. To prevent staining, apply cold cream around your ears, hairline, and nape of your neck. Pour Bigen powder in non-metallic bowl or cup. Add room temperature water Do not use hot or boiling water in the proper measurements specified on the card, blah, blah, blah. Quickly apply the mixture on dry hair. If your hair is partially gray haired, start application where the hair is most gray. Comb through the hair to ensure every strand is thoroughly covered with mixture. Standard developing time, non-chemically treated hair, 30 minutes. Chemically treated hair, 15 minutes. So I ain't got that much longer to wait. Probably about, I don't know, not that long. That's all I do know. I'll be back when my hair is black. Even though it's already black. So I am back and I am black. No green. All black. So the shrinkage be so real. I last cut my hair in June for my best friend's wedding. That was my last haircut, and I will insert picture. And yeah, that was my last haircut. So June to January is about 7 months, and it's kind of 7 months exactly because today is January 4th. And the wedding was June 4th, and I got a haircut the day before the wedding. So yeah, it's right at 7 months. So 7 months of growth. Can't wait to see how my hair grows and how this goes. So this will be fun. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.